Hey guys, so a really quick video about why my mini split air conditioner always is a little bit smelly or has like some kind of funky smell for about the first 5 minutes of turning it on. So this video is not about how to clean our mini AC or how to get rid of that smell, but just how to prevent the smell in the first place. So this time my mini split always has this weird smell at the beginning, and it's completely my fault. And that's because of the way that I'm turning it off. So you see, as soon as I press the power button on the remote, then there's still a different light, in this case here, this little timer icon on the inner unit that's still illuminated. And actually on my previous mini split air conditioner, the louver, or here this blade, that is now retracted or stopped moving, that would actually still keep moving for another 10 minutes or so. And here in this case here for this carrier model, this louver is not moving anymore, but this timer icon still keeps staying illuminated for about 20 minutes until it turns off by itself. And this timer icon is actually just an indicator that the inner unit of our mini split is currently in the process of drying itself internally, because there's still a lot of moisture inside, which, if it doesn't get dried properly, will in the future create this musty and funky smell that we have. So of course, clever me would just press the power button on the remote control 2 more times or 1 more time, and then this icon would disappear, and that would stop this drying mode, this auto drying mode, which I should never have done in the first place. But now I have learned my lesson, so in the future I will not cancel this auto drying mode. And that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.